Hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victory Daniel and I am a graduate of anatomy. Ooh la la. Okay, yeah, let's just dive right into the video. No need to start talking about how I've been procrastinating the creation of this channel. Ah. So yeah, in this oh my god, on this channel, I'll be talking about anatomy, basically explaining anatomy in a layman's term in a very interesting way to make anatomy look seamless, to make anatomy look easy. Do you get? Because anatomy can be hard, but then with me, I will make you love anatomy. Like that is the goal. That is my goal to make you love anatomy. So yeah, you know, most times our lecturers in class don't do justice to what our brains are looking for. So yeah, you have to think outside the box, go beyond, to find what really helps you. So yeah, I am going to be that thing they are looking for outside the box. That thing that oh my god, I don't know. You shall get the point. Yeah, I want to help you love anatomy. I want to help you understand anatomy. And it goes beyond anatomy because from time to time there'll be some storytelling, some travel, vlogs, and all that, and how to navigate being a student, especially in Nigeria as a private university student. Because people think private university is all rosy. It is not, especially if you attended my school. Let's not even talk about it. You get to know it later. In subsequent videos you will know the school I'm talking about. So but yeah, I'll be also, oh my god, English have failed me. I'll also be answering past questions and giving tips on how to answer anatomy questions. Yeah, basically that's all. So please recommend this video to people who need it and people who want to learn about anatomy. And please like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I can't believe I'm doing this, but yeah, turn on the notification bell because it's going to be interesting. And lastly, let's have fun while learning anatomy. Bye.